I love money, I love bags, I love cars, turbo stack. I want Louis double V, I want Prada for my feet. I love curtains made of silk, wrap my body like some milk.
Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new, my name is Deanndra Iona, and in today's video I am doing my everyday makeup routine. I don't want to keep my intro long, so if you want to see how I do my makeup every day, keep on watching. Alright you guys, I'm about to get started. You guys know, if you haven't watched my previous video, I've been having like a content block. So I was really looking on my channel and seeing how many videos do I have, and I haven't done an everyday makeup routine. So that is what I'm going to do today. I am doing an everyday makeup routine. So we're going to just hop on into this video. Got my hair tied back. So the first thing that I do, I take my 24-hour brow setter by Benefit and I comb my brow hairs up, and this kind of gives you like a laminating effect. I don't have my brows laminated, but with this it kind of feels that way. Right, so while that is drying, I take my Savage Fenty. While that is drying, I take my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Silk Hydrating Primer. This is what it looks like. And I kind of just put this all over my face. Alright, so today I'm going to use a brush. Normally I would take a beauty blender, but all my beauty blenders are dirty. So I go in with my NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation in the color Tahoe. I'll take my MAC 24-Hour Studio Fix Concealer. And I just highlight underneath my eyes. And then forehead. And then it looks kind of bright, but it's not. And while that's drying, I go in with my CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made foundation in D50, and I take this to contour my face. And now I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. sponge. I kind of use it when it's dry, honestly, because I feel like when it's wet, I don't have no control. So I prefer to use it when it's dry. And I just go in and blend out this concealer. So now that I've blended all of that out, now I go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills in Truffle, and I kind of put this again right here, and I'm gonna blend this out as well. Now I'm going to go into my Laura Mercier setting powder in translucent honey, and I'm just going to apply this where I put the concealer. Alright, so while that is sitting on my face, I take the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil that looks like this. I'm just going to fill in the edges of my brows. I don't normally fill in the whole brow because I feel like my brows are kind of thick already, and it's the way I like them. So I'm just going to fill in the ends. That's pretty much how I do my brows. I don't have to do much to it. And then I clean up underneath with concealer. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my Smashbox Photo Filter Powder Foundation. And this is in the number 7. And what I do, I just take my brush.
7.
And then I just pat the translucent powder into my skin. Yeah. Now I go in with blush. This is a MAC blush. I don't know the name of it, but this is what I use. Smile. Alright, you guys, so I put my lashes on, my mascara on off camera. Usually these days I haven't been doing any highlight, so I just keep it simple with the blush. Now for lips, I'm going to go in with my, no, this is the wrong lipstick, hold on. So now for the lips, I'm going to go in with my MAC Stone, and this is the color. It's like a mauve color. And what I do, I just kind of put that on as a base. And then on the center, I go in with Sexy Mother Pucker by Soap and Glory, and it's a pillow plump, what it looks like. Now I only put a little bit of this because it is a lip plumper, and this have your lips burning. So I only put on like a little bit. And now to finish everything off, I go with my Fenty Beauty What It Do spray. I'm gonna shake this up and I spray this all over my face. These bangs is not sitting right today. Alright, you guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. This is my everyday makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it, honestly, because I've been in a little bit of a funk when it comes to content creating right now. So I was just hoping that this video comes out good. I'm crossing my fingers you guys see this video. So yeah, if you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn your post notifications so you guys can get notified time I drop a video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
I love money, I love bags, I love cars.